Hi guys, it's Happy Squeak here, and I've seen your comments on my other video for Bigger Honey Taste Review honeycomb cereal, and I was out shopping and I happened to find this classic taste honeycomb cereal. So what I want to do is compare it with the actual original, which I still happen to have a box of, but the inside cereal is now stale, the little bit that's left. But I can visually compare it for you with this new one that they just come out with, and we can see if they got it close. As well as what I'm going to do is I will have a photo of the ingredients on the side. I'll try to leave a little bit of time there for you to read it, but you can always just put the video on pause and look it over, because I'm not going to ramble off all those ingredients and vitamins and whatnot. So let's unbox and see what they look like. Okay. Well, let me see. They look a heck of a lot smaller than the original did, but we can compare that in a second. I guess, moment of truth. No, I wouldn't say it's 100% close. Like, it's definitely an improvement over Bigger Honey Taste, but I don't know, it just seems like it's not the original. It's, I'm kind of, it's bittersweet because it's like they've processed it into some new tiny mini honeycomb form rather than like the clunky, misshapen honeycombs that we were used to before. But let me grab some photos of the stale cereal with this new one here, and you can actually see what they look like. It's okay. It's okay. So here on this side, we've got the original, which you can see it's a little bit bigger. Some of the shapes, they're not perfect. They're a little misshapen. I don't know, but there you go. There's the visual for it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think if you've given it a try. Let me know down below and share whatever opinions or thoughts you have on it. And thanks for watching, and long live Original Honeycomb!